Coming up, using a mobility scooter wheelchair platform lift to access the Bolt roller coaster.
To the crow's nest!
Hi, I'm Randy Scroback, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Scrow's Nest. Recently I was on the Carnival celebration, and one of the things I really wanted to do was be able to ride the Bolt roller coaster. Because there's no elevator to the Bolt, I knew that I would need the accessibility lift in order to get both me and my mobility scooter to the Bolt entrance. I set up an appointment through guest services to meet with the Bolt attendant. Upon arrival at the accessibility lift, I found out that the Bolt was not running this day because of weather. However, the attendant, Danny, was still willing to give me a ride on the lift so I could see and show how it works. Safety is the number one priority with Carnival. The attendant makes sure your scooter or wheelchair is positioned properly on the lift. Once both safety bars are down and the floor ramp is lifted, the attendant will then move the lift. I left this section running in real time so you can see the stability and the speed of the ride, and you can also decide if you would feel comfortable riding the lift. Also, the attendant stays with you the entire length of the ride, both up and down. At the top of the landing, I still needed to get off of the lift and get myself turned around. I needed to be facing in the opposite direction in order to ride the lift back down. You cannot ride the lift facing backwards as you're descending. Again, after being properly situated on the platform, the safety bars came down and the floor ramps went up, and I was off. Again, nice, steady, comfortable speed and ride. And what a beautiful view. If you are physically able to ride the Bolt, don't be apprehensive about taking the lift, and make this adventure a reality. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe at Scrow's Nest at YouTube. Please hit the like button, and also tell your friends and relatives about my channel. Get them to subscribe as well. Thank you very much. Travel safe.